Dongkamukam Community Health Center along Karbi Barso ke do hem kimba me puak koi ke klan. Chingroom Committee pen phonglok pe da hawa theng piak lim ke. Arjun Bhugeshwar Borua Phan Padma Shri Nong Ipinang Jipu Electronic Media Sports Journalist pen ke ham. Kardom Karbi Prime Time along pen Nili Birta Thanbang Sami Monica Milikpi Nong Birtang Ton pen Arjitha. Barpi Barso ke do hem mesanang ji lapen ingthiret nang ji po porahut Dongkamukam Community Health Center along Barpi Barso hem kimpame me pusi akoi pipon. Barpi Barso ke do hem mesanang ji puchethan ki rapor hut Dongkamukam Community Health Center along Barpi Barso ke do hem ki kim poi pusi rongkhang development block aphan akoi pidam. Center mate se ka chilang hem along Barpi Barso ka chiti hem kamara jo se ka chilang abang pho bang phetum sungi nang lo pusi Karbi so pherang kyang no se ka chilang abang pho tum pachini. Laso Hospital along Barpi Barso ke do hem ki kim je aphan laso ningkan there keparni Karbi along Termas Council ACM turam ronghang pensi long e somsi kampaklem toilo. Bonta akam ke long bang pho tum Barso Barpi ka chiti hem ki kim pami medet pusi ke so ka chilang abang pho tum akoi pipon. Chingroom Committee pen Bokolia Hawar Phonglok Pere School along Thengpia Klim ke asai klempon pusi ladak birtanang le. Kilir Seng Karbi Anglong lapen kang thiret Karbi Anglong. Anong kapachet hangje phanpura Bokolia Hawar Phonglok Pet long Thomas School along Thengpia Klim AC Pirthe Awarmon kaba meje phan Chingroom Committee pen sai mo chupari deng. Chingroom Committee mai phula penari sangho tum pen si Thengpia Klim ke ar pudeng pon. Army Red Horns pen Manja Little Flower School along Thengpia Klim AC Osomara phan Thengpi enang ji polam pachini. Pirthe angtan ke sola pen Thengpia Klim enang ji polam kapachini je aphan pura Army Red Horns pen Manja Little Flower School along Chiti Creek Trokarni Thengpia Klim ke AC ke Osomara phan than pachini. Lir Seng Awarmon padoji pulote methanga hem Methanga rong along Thengpia Klim enang ji lapen lana nang ji puta Army Red Horns pen sirkep lapen kebang den kacharli Osomara phan than pare. Rong Parohini at Thengpia Klim ke along Army than bang lapen Osomara tum chirap chitodun. Electronic Media Sports Journalist pen Arjun Bhugeshwar Borua phan Padma Shri Nong Ipinang ji pusi ke hang padu. Arjun anong ekelong abang Bhugeshwar Borua phan Padma Shri anong Ipinang ji pusi Electronic Media Sports Journalist pen Sarkar aphan pachini. Borua aphan Padma Shri anong Ipinang ji po alam Delhi pen BJP asongja mate Kongchun bang Ram Madhav Assam alok ke bang hut si laso alam paklang dun. Ladak alam chir ke bang hut chethan pon me India ni hang ni tura long riang pong Bhugeshwar Borua henlo Arjun anong ekelong cheng bang hu. Non molom so por phan birta mun tumai sena. Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hin pen Warsai keme kipipon. Lasi lason Warsai keme along ning hangatum ali chuan dunik tha. Warsai keme laki chiklo jontro phan kapamala seke piponji. Lasi apor panhok he pin pen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along Patebok Damiknon, Rong Parpi Rong Berot, near Iron Bridge, Dipu Karbi Anglong. Lasi lans se kachini le thoji phan laso number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Ronkelan, near Don Bosco School Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88 008 or 0789 61 69021.
Come and test drive Nissan New Sero India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors. Authorized dealer of Nissan. 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 petrol pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 78200 Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Micro Active, XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XLDO special offers up to 2 lakh. Along with special offers of Ford Doctor, check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Vishnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi, Assam.
Chloride Beauty Salon Unisex is opening its door for a 6-month crash course on beautician and cut. Interested person may kindly come and contact Chloride Beauty Salon Unisex near Iron Bridge, Rongparbi Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Document requirements are recent photograph, voter ID and caste certificate. Dihinamo Piputhot Birta Long Wangtwiglong. Karbi Anglong Development Association Methang Sai Hemlong Chitini Pai Krip Horni, the Prophet Troxira Chitima Porma Lompen, Pliang Deng, KDA, Amhanke Hegani Katalon Pona Birta, KDA, a Kongchun Bang Chesong Kiri Han Sepen, Kadnu Sai Hemalong, Birta Nangli. Karbi Anglong Development Association Mati, Thiek Pen, KDA Maipu Ang Tok Pang Chopen Songa Lama Kang Thurpensi, Jamek Pang Cheng Ponlo. KDA Songa Mahangke Hegani, Aluhia Man Pen, LYDC Song Pen Tengtom Teron, Rup Singh Timu, Lapen KDA, Bogojan District Committee Pen David Terang, Komal Singh Timu, Pen Chenglok Penanganabang Pubang Piatum Chetong Dul. Kachelang Pen, Jakong Lapen Kaching Thur, Puathe PNC, Karbi Anglong Development Association, Amhang Pathek Ponlo. KDA Song Amhangke Heg Aningkan Laki Kedamtang, Surini Akrit Rok Aningkan, Chitia Chiklo Nipai Krit Horn Hello. Non Puthal Karbi Anglong Development Association Puatim, Association for Development and Justice Thiek Pen ADJ Pusi Amen Irpon Thulo. Lasi Chiti Nipai Krit Horni Benke, KDA Pua Song Ke Amen Papai Daklo Pusia Lang Litumpen Pachini.
Hong pli mate matai pli mane am hangi thik ki chokar ni no dabang sila so song ni tum executive chingwai ponsi labang so song mane amen ki pakkeng ponsi alam tani tum chiparai pon gal asap so kila ponsi phan mane Karbi Anglong development association pulong mane development phalo development asong ba sila me asap so ke paking phon ni tum executive chingbai tu si mane pini dak mahang thek arni ke tolon mane pachi tonsi pini ban ke mane Karbi Anglong Development Association po dimalo mate amen la ke larpon fit po mate larpon fit lo कि ADA पदिन कि ADJ लके Association for development and justice usi mane amben la pom thak po
La CPA potsi ke di women ke lar ponam kok malake Karbi anglong along legal rights do sita ningring me jirakang sai kaching thura mo along abedet la so potsi edj song hin pen asontina sai along ta ningring me jirakang sai mati justice donang jipo ke mang pensi Association for Development and Justice po song amen irpon loputa alang litum pen pachini labang so song ke mang lake to develop our society, to develop our community, to develop our culture, and to develop our reason pu hai hui han lo. West Karbi Anglong Chinthong MAC constituency kaparlu Upper Chinthong Umlap Her Gorkha Community Hall along Chitini Pai Kre Trokarni Habar Karbi Risonimso Ronga Je Surini Kresir Kebaning Kana Farman Tirikamamai Kapadopon. Habar Karbi Risonimso Ronga Je Pantiri Kamamai Kapadopon along Zonal Amai Pu Longsing Kropen Kachapaham Pu Podamai along Chunbang Samson Rong Parpensi Mike Palam Teklar Dakpen Tan Pachinipon. Maya long nangkeleji Hawar Karbi Risonimso Ronga Je Lake Karbi Anglong Pen Meghala Hoy Kedai Umlap Her Reng Sibona Klam Kapadopon Jia Pan Cheparai Pon Tirikamamai Amai Pu Korsing Rong Pipensi Ingbai Pon Lokusit Birta Ribdalong. Karbi Prime Time Bangkela Pon Sikang Tomboi Glong Domethak Me Kurang Tu.